Make every effort to keep yourselves united in the spirit, binding yourselves together with peace. Ephesians chapter 4 verses 3. Hello beautiful family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. I trust you are doing so well and you're taking very good care of yourself. In this recipe, we will learn how to make the most delicious Ghanaian tea bread. After that, I will show you how I made this delicious stuffed tomatoes. It's absolutely incredible. Stay tuned. For our delicious Ghanaian tea bread, I will be using 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and it comes with a twist which I absolutely love. We'll be using a tablespoon of Greek-style yogurt, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of nutmeg as well, 7 grams of instant dried yeast, and a tablespoon of sugar and vanilla essence as well. I will activate my instant dry yeast by adding my sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract and my 7 grams of dried instant yeast. We'll then allow it to sit on the counter for it to activate for about 3 minutes. So I'll then go ahead and add all my dried ingredients, which is the nutmeg and the salt. Give it a good stir, and I will then introduce my wet ingredients. Okay, it's very important not to add everything at once. Bit by bit is always very recommendable. You feel like the dough has been formed properly, you then go in with your Greek style yogurt and give that a mix and let everything mix well together. I will begin to knead my dough for about 10 minutes. Yes, kneading your dough is really very important. It makes your bread very fluffy and very stretchy as well. While kneading it, you realize that it becomes really tough and very hard to work with. You just stop right there, add a little bit of oil in a bowl, and then add your dough to it for it to rest for about 10 minutes before you continue with the next process. So the 10th minute has arrived and our dough has fully rested, and it's now fluffy and very good for us to go to the next step, which is to mold our bread. Okay, and once that is done, I'll just cut it into 2 equal parts. Depending on how big or how long you want it, you can make it 3 as well. I chose to divide it into 2 because I want it a bit bigger. That is my preference. Okay, so as demonstrated on your screen, that's exactly how I fold the bread. Official way you could see our tea bread, but also you can mold it into circles, rectangles, any forms and shape that you prefer. It does not affect the taste at all. So yes, this is the official way. That's how I'm showing you. Okay, so it's ready now to go into my form, and it's ready to be in the oven. So right now you sprinkle a little bit of flour on top. That is how you get the tea bread effect, right? Also, I heated the oven at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes before it went in. I also prefer to cover it for the first 10 minutes just so that it does not become extra hard. After 10 minutes, I'll remove the cover and allow it to bake for an additional 10 minutes, and our bread should be ready. Look at that, just so good. This one there, pano show aba pano show udi baka bedi vienu pano show. It is really so good. I really hope you try it and follow the simple steps, and you will be able to make your delicious Ghana tea bread. Absolutely delicious. Just look at this. Look at that. Okay, so we are done with the bread. We are about to make our breakfast, and if you are tired of your normal, cheap bomb fried eggs, scrambled eggs, please, this stuffed tomatoes right here is something that you really need to try. It is absolutely so delicious and very easy to make. All that you have to do is to remove the seeds of your tomatoes, make the hole in it, add a tablespoon of olive oil, basil leaves, and garlic. The garlic is quite optional, but I think it's really delicious with it. Okay, and add a little bit of salt and mix it well, and we're going to fill it up in the tomatoes. It's just going to give this tomato so much flavor. After filling the inside, I also like to brush off the skin with the leftover oil, and it tastes absolutely delicious this way. And not only tomatoes, you can also use your bell peppers if you're not a fan of tomatoes. Okay, so after that, I'll just put it in my baking form and add a bit of mozzarella cheese before I will add my eggs. Then sprinkle a little bit of salt on it and add extra mozzarella cheese. Say cheese for me. Cheese. We'll then put it in the oven for 10 minutes at 150 degrees. Now the kids go wild for this. It's so good. Just have a look at that. Have a look at that. It's so delicious. Restaurant quality pa. Look how breakfast just got so fun. It is just so fun. Not the regular scrambled eggs and chibom and all of that. We are tired, aren't we? Sometimes we just have to twist things a little bit and make things fun for the kids especially. Okay, that is all, family. Thank you so much for watching. I do love and appreciate you all so much. And that was our breakfast at the Adass, and oh boy, we served it with some hot chocolate, and let me tell you, the most delicious breakfast we've had in a while. Let me tell you that it was so good. And there you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you so much, and I'm super thankful that you watched till the end. Please do not forget to give this a video a like, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this recipe. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. And I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe, and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you once again for watching, and please know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.